How to delete Netflix profile. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete a profile on Netflix. So the first thing you want to do is simply open your Netflix app on your mobile device, and now make sure you are logged into your Netflix account. Now once you're logged in, as soon as you open the app, you will be taken to your profile space where you'll be able to view all of the different profiles on your Netflix account. As you can see, I currently have 2 profiles on my Netflix account. So if I want to delete a profile, it's really quick and easy. All you have to do is simply tap on the pencil icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. After that, a pencil icon will appear on top of every profile on your Netflix. So tap on the one which you want to delete, and now you'll be taken to the edit profile page. So now if you look closely on the bottom side of the screen, you can see the option named delete profile. So in order to delete the profile, simply tap on the option. And now if your profile is currently active, you won't be able to delete it. So in order to delete that, first of all, let's back out again. Now let us first of all switch account or profile. Now let's go to manage profile, and now do the same. Tap on the pencil icon, and once you tap on delete profile, it will ask you to confirm the deletion of this profile. And once you tap on delete profile, there you have it. That is basically how you delete a profile on Netflix. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.